Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix Facebook unable to log in and an unexpected error occurred. Step 1. Restart your device. A simple restart can often solve many app-related issues by clearing temporary files and refreshing system resources. How to restart? Hold down the power button on your device and select Restart or Reboot. Step 2. Clear cache and data app version. Go to Settings, Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap See All Apps and find Facebook. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Open the Facebook app and try logging in again. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the issue is network related. If you are on Wi-Fi, try restarting the router or connecting to a different network. Step 4. Update Facebook app. An outdated Facebook app could be causing issues. Check for updates in the Google Play Store, Android, or the Apple Store, iOS. Go to Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Facebook. If an update is available, tap Update. Step 5. Check for software updates. Ensure that your phone's operating system is up to date, as bugs or compatibility issues can also cause login problems. On Android, go to Settings, Software Update. Tap Download and install if an update is available. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates. Step 6. Disable Facebook app permissions for Android. Sometimes, Facebook app permissions might be incorrectly set, leading to errors. To fix this, go to Settings, Apps. Find Facebook and tap it. Tap Permissions and make sure the necessary permissions such as storage, camera, and contacts are enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!